Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a job seeker and passionate about embedded software engineering? And do you want to work with cutting edge technology in a dynamic and innovative team? So, then we have the perfect opportunity for you. Today, we are diving into an exciting job opportunity at Nokia for an embedded software engineer position in Bangalore, India. So, let's explore the role and how you could be a part of a team that's helping shaping the future of cloud technology and network. So, the position as we are going to discuss is of embedded software engineer, and location as I told is Bangalore, and team is of MN RAN cloud platform HW department. So let's understand a little bit about the role. So Nokia is basically looking for an embedded software engineering role to join the new team in Bangalore, and the selected candidate will be working on the integration and verification of cloud HW solutions, and will partner with industry giants like Dell and HPE. So the focus will be on expanding the cloud HW and embedded software testing from component level verification to end-to-end use cases. So you will be responsible for, as you can see on the screen that I have mentioned. So these are the things that you would be doing at Dell. So you'll basically be responsible for developing and maintaining embedded software components, drivers, working on integration and verification of partner hardware and software solutions. And the key responsibilities would be like the collaborating with technical leaders and product owners to analyze, design, and implement and test software functionalities. You'll be working with embedded software development, including design and integration, and also troubleshooting. You would be involved into analyzing failure cases and fix issues to ensure high quality delivery. And you would be sharing your knowledge and contributing to team learning. uh, Now let's understand the required skill set and qualifications that they are mentioned over here. So this is some of the required skills that you must have, which is of course a degree in engineering or computer science or related field, with a very good knowledge of C++ or C programming, and experience with Linux operating system, especially embedded system, Linux kernel and drivers, and familiarity with cloud technologies and Intel x86 based cloud hardware architecture. Also, you must have the knowledge of embedded software, including PMC, BIOS, U-boot, etc., and the basic understanding of IP network as well, like VLAN, Ethernet, DNS, DHCP, all these. So also you should have the knowledge in a scripting programming language, for example, Python, Bash, etc. And you should have the familiarity with mobile network as well, for example, 5G, virtual network functions. Also, a very important thing is a strong problem solving, communication, and collaboration skill. And the key personal attributes as well, which is enthusiastic, creative, and flexible. And you should be a self-motivated, target-driven, and able to think innovatively. So this is all something which they are looking for at a individual who wants to join their very innovative team. So if you have this skill set, so go and check out the link in the description and apply as soon as possible. And at Nokia, the innovation meets inclusions. So this is your chance to contribute to building the future of network while working in collaborative and inspiring environment. So if you are ready to take a challenge and make an impact in the tech world, apply now for the embedded software engineer position in Bangalore. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting career opportunities. And if you have any question or need any more details, drop them in the comment section and we would be happy to help. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job search.